When Porsche filed patents for the names Flachbau and Flachbau RS back in May 2025, it sparked a lot of speculation in the automotive community. Today, we finally know why. This is an extraordinary factory one-off creation based on a 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS with the Weissach package, commissioned by a private collector through Porsche's Sonderwunsch department. The primary goal of this project was to reinterpret the iconic Slantnose or Flachbau design, made famous by the legendary 1978 Porsche 935/78 Le Mans racing car, famously nicknamed Moby Dick. Developed over nearly 3 years by a multidisciplinary team from the Sonderwunsch department, Style Porsche, Weissach Development Engineers, Porsche Motorsport, and Manthey, the body features low-slung front wings with slatted louvers to vent the wheel arches and lower internal air pressure. Up front, the traditional round headlights have been replaced by a stacked, ultra-slim LED lighting system, where each low and high beam module measures under 4 centimeters in height. Designed by Grant Larson, the exterior is finished in a custom Grand Prix white shade, matched to a historical 911 from the Porsche collection, paired with contrasting black exposed carbon fiber, including an inverted center roof stripe and a U-shaped bonnet graphic echoing the original Martini liveried race car. While the drivetrain has been left completely original, in agreement with the customer, performance was refined through aggressive weight reduction and advanced aerodynamic engineering. The car features a newly developed rear wing with patented position markings, inspired by the 911 GT3 RS Rennsport, mounted 5 centimeters higher. It offers 3 manually adjustable positions, generating up to 554 kilograms of downforce on the rear axle at its top speed of 340 kilometers per hour in its highest setting. Combined with front bumper flaps, carbon fiber rear wheel aero discs, and Manthey kit underbody diffuser, aerodynamic efficiency has been significantly increased. Through these extensive measures, Porsche managed to reduce the car's overall weight by 31.6 kilograms compared to the already uncompromising GT2 RS Weissach package. Inside, the cabin is stripped back to pure motorsport minimalism. The Porsche Communication Management Infotainment System, audio components, floor coverings, and sound deadening materials have all been removed and replaced by bare metal painted in Grand Prix white, exposed wiring with protective sheathing, and carbon trim. The headrests of the carbon fiber bucket seats feature embroidered Flachbau RS lettering with an outline of the Nordschleife, while the passenger side is fitted with an engraved gold Sonderwunsch badge. Standard street equipment like the towing eye and warning triangle have been relocated to a removable emergency box to maximize weight savings during track sessions. Before approval, the design underwent extensive computational fluid dynamics. 3 test vehicles were built to complete real-world testing at Mendig Airfield, endurance runs at Weissach simulating 150,000 kilometers of customer use, and 50 track laps on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, driven by test driver Lars Kern. The result is a fully road-legal, modern tribute to Porsche motorsport history.